How to make him jealous. Top 15 tips to get his attention and test his feelings. Sometimes, it can feel like the guy you're interested in isn't showing enough affection or interest. Whether you're unsure of his feelings or just want to gauge how much he cares, making him jealous could be a way to test the waters. While it may sound a bit manipulative, if done subtly and in a playful manner, these strategies can help you see just how much he values you. In this article, we'll dive into 15 ways to make him jealous, increasing your chances of catching his attention and, perhaps, deepening his emotional connection with you. But remember, these tips are not guaranteed methods. They're merely playful ways to make him realize what he could be losing. 1. Look amazing. The first and simplest way to make him jealous is by looking your absolute best. When you look good, you feel good, and your confidence will catch his attention. Get a new haircut, wear clothes that highlight your best features, and take care of your health. When he notices how amazing you look, he might start feeling a little uneasy, especially if he sees you getting attention from others. The key here is not to overdo it. Just make subtle changes to highlight your best qualities. 2. Talk about celebrities. Mentioning a celebrity crush is one surefire way to make him jealous. Whether it's a movie star, athlete, or musician, talking about your admiration for someone famous can stir up feelings of insecurity in your guy. You don't need to make it a huge deal, just casually bring it up. Mentioning their traits, whether it's their looks or personality, can make him realize that there are other people out there who catch your eye, even if they are unattainable. This will likely ignite a sense of competition in him. 3. Have a male best friend. Nothing sparks jealousy like the idea of another man knowing a lot about you. By spending time with a close male friend, you can make him wonder about your relationship with him. Whether it's a college buddy or an office friend, he will start to notice that someone else holds a special place in your life. The fact that another guy knows personal details about you can trigger his protective instincts. Be careful not to overdo it, though, as being too close to your male friend could send the wrong message. 4. Flirt with other guys. A tried and true method to make him jealous is by flirting with other guys. This doesn't mean you have to go overboard, but laughing, making eye contact, and complimenting other men in front of him will definitely catch his attention. He won't be able to resist wondering what's going on, and will be motivated to do whatever it takes to get your focus back on him. The trick is to be light-hearted and casual, so it doesn't come across as overbearing or too intentional. 5. Go out without him. If your guy thinks that you need him to have fun, show him otherwise. Go out with your friends without him, and post photos to show how much fun you're having. You can even spend time with a few guy friends to increase his jealousy. When he sees that you can have a great time without him, he may start feeling left out and jealous. The key is to be confident and happy in your own company, showing that your life doesn't revolve around him. 6. Look busy. One way to make him jealous is by pretending you're too busy to meet up or talk. If you've been the one reaching out to him often and he hasn't been as responsive, this can be a great way to flip the script. By acting busy and telling him you have other plans, he'll start wondering what you're doing with your time. This can spark curiosity and make him realize that you won't just wait around for him. 7. Pretend like you don't care. Another subtle trick is to act indifferent when he comes around. If he cancels plans or isn't giving you the attention you crave, pretend like it doesn't bother you. When he tries to apologize or get back in your good graces, act like it's not a big deal. This will confuse him, and he'll want to figure out why you're no longer as attached or as interested. This creates a sense of mystery that can make him feel anxious. 8. Make him wait. We're all guilty of texting back immediately when someone we like messages us, but the next time he reaches out, try waiting a little while before responding. A 30-minute delay will do wonders to make him curious. When you stop being so accessible, He'll realize you have your own life and interests outside of him. This makes you appear less needy and more desirable, leading him to wonder what's keeping you so busy. 9. Keep conversations short. Rather than engaging in long, drawn-out conversations, keep things brief and to the point. When you keep your answers short, it can make him feel like he's not your top priority. This will likely prompt him to put in more effort to keep the conversation going, and possibly even make him realize he might be losing your attention to someone else. 10. Talk about other guys. Talking about other guys is a quick way to make him feel jealous. Whether it's a funny story about a guy at work or a compliment you received from someone else, mentioning other men in your life will immediately trigger his jealousy. Make sure to mention qualities that he may feel insecure about. For example, if you mention how a guy at work is good at fixing things and he's not, he may feel a little left out. 11. Spend free time with friends. When you have free time, spend it with your friends rather than with him. If he's used to you always being available, this change in behavior will definitely make him wonder why you're suddenly so occupied with other people. You're showing him that your life doesn't revolve around him, and this can definitely spark some jealousy. Make sure to enjoy yourself fully while you're out with your friends to make the impact even stronger. 12. Post photos on social media. Social media is a great tool for making your guy jealous. When you're out having fun, post photos to show him that you're enjoying yourself without him. Make sure the pictures highlight your fun and exciting time with your friends. When he sees how much fun you're having, he'll want to be a part of it, and jealousy will start creeping in. 13. Get checked out by other men. One of the most powerful ways to make him jealous is by getting attention from other men. When he sees that you're being checked out, it will make him realize that you're in demand. It will also make him feel possessive over you. Be subtle, though. Let it happen naturally in situations where you're not drawing attention to it too much. 14. Seek help from another guy. Ask another guy for help with something that's not urgent. Whether it's fixing something in your car or asking for advice on a project, having a guy step in can definitely touch your guy's ego. He'll wonder why you turn to someone else and may feel the need to prove himself to you. 15. Be happy. The ultimate way to make him jealous is by simply being happy and confident in yourself. When you are secure and content in your own life, he'll start noticing that you don't need him to be happy. This independence and self-sufficiency will make him feel jealous of the fact that you're so comfortable and fulfilled on your own. Conclusion. While making someone jealous might seem like a playful way to test their feelings, it's essential to tread carefully. Use these tips with caution, as they can be effective in getting his attention, but should never be used in a manipulative or harmful way. The goal is to inspire his feelings of attachment and affection, not to push him away. With these 15 tips, you'll have a range of strategies to gauge his interest and deepen your connection. Always be mindful of your own feelings and make sure your actions are aligned with what you truly want in a relationship. If he's genuinely interested in you, his jealousy will soon turn into admiration and affection. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.